Hello students, I am Prakash Gadekar, librarian, Singhad College of Science. Today I am giving information about free e-resources and how to access. Nowadays we can see a lot of e-resources available on the internet, but I have selected some e-resources which are very useful in your study. Come to start. First, PDF drive. Second, EPG Pathshala. Next, NPTEL video. Fourth, Savitribai Phule Pune University e-content learning models and study material. Next, DOAJ. Next, DOAB. And last, Khan Academy. PDF drive. PDF drive is free e-book website which provide academic and general books in PDF format. You can search on Google. Open Google, enter PDF drive and click to first link and then open home page of website. And then show to your search box. Enter your required books in search box. For example, I enter microbiology. Then I got difference result on microbiology. Then I select required book for download. And then next click to PDF. And last your book is download. Next, EPG Pathshala. EPG Pathshala is one project of ImplementNet. This provides text material and videos for postgraduate students and also useful for undergraduate students. Once again, open Google search engine and type EPG Pathshala and click to first link and open home page of EPG Pathshala. Then click to Students Corner. Then show to you various courses and subject. For example, I have select computer science. Then I select one chapter of machine learning. Then I can see the text material and videos and self-learning on this topic. Okay, next is NPTEL. NPTEL provide e-learning through online web and video courses and various streams. Same here, open Google search engine and type NPTEL and click to first link. Then open home page of NPTEL. Then click to course. Left side show to you various courses. Select one course of your choice. For example, I have selected management and mathematics. For the same, I got various video lecture on this course. I have selected one video lecture. This is Introduction to Production. Okay, same you can do here. Next is Savitribai Phule University e-learning models and study material. Open SPPU website and click to e-learning. Next, you have click on e-content learning models and open home page of ECLM. Then click on topic. Okay. Next, it will show you various topics. Select one topic related to your For example, I have select mathematics. I got video lecture on this topic. Then I have select one video lecture. You can do it in similarly way. Next is study material. On the same website, left side, it is show study material. Click on it. Then it will show you various courses. Select the course related to your. For example, I have select commerce and management. Then I select commerce. Then it will show you various course to commerce. Then I select BCom. Then I click SY BCom. Then it will show you result on subject of SY BCom. Then I have selected one subject and got study material related to my search. You can do similarly. Next, directory of open access journal. For the same, you can go Google, enter DOAJ and click the first link and open homepage of DOAJ. Then you can search subject wise. For example, I enter science. Then I get journals on science. Then I select geology subject. Select one of journal on geology. This is Estonian Journal of Earth Science. In this way, you can search and access your subject journal. Let's go. Next study source is DOAB. Directory of open access book. Then open Google and enter DOAJ and open home page of the directory of open access book. Then enter your title in search box. For example, I have entered the title of machine learning. Then I got the result about this title. Then at the bottom side, click on the free access for the download and download complete the book. Okay, next is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is non-profit organization which provides study material for learner. Open Google, enter Khan Academy and click first link and open homepage of Khan Academy. Then click to learners and fill details and select your related course. It will show you various subjects. Select related your subject. For example, I have select microeconomics. Then I got video on microeconomics. Okay students, you have no need any registration for our access e-resources. It is free. Thank you.